A company profile is a snapshot of a company describing its business, its key financial and operating figures, its corporate structure, ownership, and potentially other relevant information. It can be all on one page, and in this case, it is also known as a one-pager, or it can be extended on more pages. In investment banking, it can be used both internally to brief senior bankers and externally to send to potential clients. It can be used on a standalone basis or can be inserted in a larger presentation like a pitch book. Usually, company profiles are dense on content, aiming to present all relevant information while taking little space and time. When preparing a company profile, the following principles, which we covered earlier, are especially relevant. First and foremost, we should try to deliver maximum level of information in limited time and space. Then we should also keep in mind that key messages should be delivered clearly, starting from the title of each slide. This is quite important too. Moreover, a professional presentation would be tailored to the intended purpose and audience. We should adapt the format according to the objectives of the presentation and the background, seniority, experience, and perspective of the intended audience. When preparing a company profile, we should keep text messages short and use a bullet point format pretty much exclusively. If we use key or buzzwords that can quickly ring a bell in the mind of the audience, we'll be one step ahead in connecting with the audience and delivering the message. And finally, as in the case with most slides, well-formatted visual elements like charts, graphs, tables, and pictures can be really helpful and are quite often used in company profiles. In our next lesson, we'll focus on the content that we typically find on a company profile page. Thanks for watching.